Levier fine writing instruments and Levier casting products are proud to present the Gold and Coffee pen. This pen project was made with one of Levier casting products. Our priority number one is safety. It is important to wear a face shield, use a respirator, and hearing protection. We all know that using gloves or long sleeves in front of the lathe is very dangerous. Our atelier is located in a very cold part of the world, so the use of long sleeves and gloves are a must for all. If you are going to use gloves and long sleeve, follow these simple rules. The gloves must be skin tight fit, and it's always good to have the sleeves inside the glove to avoid any contact with the lathe. Our new line of pen castings are unique and one of a kind. For this project we have selected an acrylic casting. This is a gold acrylic with coffee beans. These and many more castings are available to our worldwide viewers, and you will hear more information before the end of this video. We are going to use the bandsaw for cutting our pen blank. The first part of this process is to mark the length of the tube. Then we need to leave about 2 or 3 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch to avoid any chip out during the drilling process. Using a cutting jig in combination with our bandsaw will provide an accurate 90-degree cut. The benefit of using this jig is accuracy and safety. We are working in a design for this jig that will be available in the near future. In this view we can see that our pen blank has been cut perfectly. And also we can see the core of the pen blank, that is a combination of gold acrylic and the coffee beans. Organization can be defined as another form of art. We are moving now to the preparation for the drilling process. Following the instructions on your pen kit to see what is the correct drill bit that you need for your project. We are going to use the drill press in combination with a drilling vise. This vise is dedicated for pen blanks. It can accommodate wood blanks as well as acrylic castings. Previously we marked the center of our pen blank. Then it's just a matter of letting the drill bit do the rest of the job. Here we can see the advantage of using Levier casting products. During the drilling process we only had shavings, and those shavings they were not stuck to the drill bit. Another advantage is that we can use CA glue, because the colors are not going to fade away during the drilling, turning or polishing of our pen project. We are using a pen mill to clean the two surfaces of our pen blank. In addition to our pen mill, we are using a sleeve that accommodates our 7 millimeters to the correct diameter of this pen project. During the milling of our pen blank, it's important to see how much we are taking off. We don't want to remove too much metal of our tubes, this to avoid any assembly issues. The setup that we are going to use in our lathe is very simple. We are going to use our pen mandrel in combination with our collect chuck. We are doing now the setup using our bushings. Because this is a one tube project, we need to add several spacers to accommodate the mandrel and have it properly secure and located. The first tool that we are going to use is the roughing gouge. The roughing gouge is a tool that is designed to do roughing cuts. In our applications, we are going to transform a rectangular pen blank into a cylinder. Sharpen tools are a must for any turning project. There's a complete library on how to sharpen your turning tools here in YouTube. Username Levier 2011. Now we can see the performance of our casting products. During these tough cuts, we can see that shavings are coming out from the pen blanks. We don't see chunks of material. We don't see that the pen blank is cracked or damaged. We are using now our skew. The skew is the tool that we are going to use to do the preliminary shape of our pen project. During these cuts, we are going to use the skew in two positions, with the long point facing up and with the long point facing down. The challenge of this project is to maintain tool control. Because we are using coffee beans as part of our acrylic or our blank, it is important to maintain the speed and accuracy of our cuts. For the final shaping of our project, we are now using the Spindle Master. The Spindle Master is an alternative tool of the skew. The finish that we are going to obtain by using this tool is going to be pretty good. In other words, we are going to require very little sanding for the finishing of our process. Here we can see that we have a defect or a problem in our casting blank. One of our coffee beans has just broken and we can see the tube of our pen. What we are going to do in order to fix it is we are going to add a couple of drops of CA glue, then we are going to add a little bit of the dust that we have just made during the turning process. Adding several layers of dust and CA glue will provide the finish that we need. We are going to be unable to see this defect. Now that we have corrected our quality or our manufacturing issue during the turning process, we are now adding several coats of CA glue without any oil. This is straight CA glue directly to our pen blank. This is a very important step of our turning process. Basically what it is, we are sealing the surface of all the coffee beans. Then we are going to continue to our turning process. The important thing during this couple of cuts is to match the diameters of the bushings. Then we can move to our design or specifications of our pen project. Sanding is a critical step in this project. First we did the sealing of the surface, then we are using progressive wet sanding. We go from 120 to 2000 grit. After the sanding process, we are using a red and a blue compound. This to buff the surface of our project. This step will help us eliminate the micro marks that the sandpaper left in the surface of our acrylic casting. The last step for this project will be the use of plastic polish. Applying several coats of this plastic polish will provide a high shine surface with no scratches. For the assembly process, the only thing that we need to do is to follow the instructions provided with your specific pen kit. The end result, another masterpiece made by Levier. Levier casting products. Our new line of acrylic castings are unique and one of a kind. Our state-of-the-art equipment and technology allow us to provide the highest quality pen blanks available in the market. If you would like more information about our pen blanks, send us an email and we will reply with the requested information, including price and quantities. Also, we can make or design unique pen blanks according to your specifications. If you would like more information about this pen project, send us an email and we will reply with our available inventory of pens. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.